Hey, what is up, you guys? It is Silver Sun here, and today we are back with some more unboxings. And today we are going to be unboxing the figurearts Goku Black figure. So, yeah, I already unboxed the initial packaging, and as you can see here, here he is. Hang on. Yeah, that's better. That's better. All right. So here it is in all its glory. All right. Oh, there's the back, as you can see. Alright, now let's actually open this. Oh, there's actual tape here. Alright. Excellent. Yeah, this will make it go a lot faster. Because I know there's some of you guys out there that don't like waiting for me to unbox this stuff, so I'm gonna try my best to move through this ASAP. Alright. And then down there. Alright. Alrighty, here he is. Hang on. Move it up just a tiny bit so you guys can see it a bit better. Alright. So. Yeah, lots of lots of crinkling and noises and such, but yeah. Here it is. Let's actually pull them out. Well, this is good. This is cool. Hopefully this camera's doing it justice here, but yeah. So you got his feet there, able to move around and such. Oh, I see. Alright, he's got little knee pivots and such. Alright, let me see. Oh, I just now realized he doesn't have the little plastic stuff like around him usually. Like whenever in my previous unboxings, you know, they would have like the little plastic stuff and whatnot, but that doesn't seem to be the case here. Yeah. This is pretty cool. Let's see how he looks with the rose face. You can see the little earring right there and the time ring. Nice time ring. Alright. And then you got the scythe right there, the sword he uses. Hang on. Alright. There he goes. And this one. Actually. Go like that. Go like that. Okay. Alright. Give me a sec. Alright, hang on. Alright, finally got him with the sword in hand here. As you guys can see. Hopefully it picks up. But yeah. Well, yeah, the camera might show it, but his hair looks like a really light pink. It might be different just because in the anime, you know, he was in a pretty dark setting in the future and stuff like that. Everything was like all dark and like green and blackish and stuff. So that's probably why it had a different hue to it. But yeah, it's pretty cool. We get like little effects like this with this figure. I think this is the first time, at least for me, that I've gotten one of these kinds of effects with like a figure and stuff like that. Because all the other ones I've had, I don't think had this. Except for maybe Whis. I mean, he did have the staff and stuff. But here we get two. We get this. And then, or in his base form with the Kamehameha in hand. Yeah, I don't really have a stand to show this off in full. But Yeah, just to give you the illusion of it. Yeah, him with the Kamehameha. But yeah, um, yeah. So far, this figure art is pretty good actually. I like the articulation and the sculpt of it. It's really nice and it looks pretty unique. Uh, but yeah, if any of you guys have this uh action figure or if you're waiting to get it, I'd highly recommend you go out and get it now because it costs quite a bit now. I mean, I'd recommend you would have gotten it earlier than when I did. I mean, I tried to pre-order it, but uh, it didn't really go through, and I ended up having to pay a little extra to get this bad boy. But I feel like it was worth it. You might not, but I don't know. I guess I'm just that collectory kind of person. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this unboxing, guys. So, but yeah, that's pretty much it for this unboxing, guys. Tell me what you guys thought down below. Tell me what you guys liked. Tell me what you guys didn't like. And until the next one, Silver Sun is out. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this unboxing, guys. Comment down below what you guys like, what you guys dislike. And until the next one, Silver Sun is out.